Just another little update on this protest. Just a couple days after the fatal shooting of 37-year-old Renee Good by an ICE agent, we are still in downtown Minneapolis at 3rd and Park Avenue. So far, we had not seen any presence from MPD. That changed just a little bit ago as an MPD squad was driving by. A crowd of demonstrators quickly corralled that squad. They followed him. A couple of water bottles were thrown at the squad. I didn't see anything escalate beyond that. And ultimately, that MPD squad was able to continue driving and drove away. At this point, there's still a lot of noise being made. This is a protest that was organized specifically to make noise where demonstrators believe ICE agents are staying at this Hilton canopy behind me.